Here's how to number your pages in InDesign. First, go up to your Pages panel, and in your master page level, I want you to click into your master page, and then right at the corner on each page, go to your type tool, and then just drag out a text box, really, just right up to the edge, just like that in your master page, and then just put any characters you want. Just whatever, okay? It will definitely change again when you change this character into a numbering marker. So to do that, I want you to select the text that you created, go up to type, and head over to insert special character, and under markers, click on current page number. And then your character will automatically change into an A. And before you duplicate it to your next page, this is the time to change the fonts if you want to change to a different font. Like, I'll use this font, Bizpatter. And so once you've changed the font that you want, you might want to adjust the placement of your number. So usually the numbering is usually right at the edge, right? And you might want to go down a little bit. I think it's good. Okay, so once you're happy with the placement and with the font that you chose, click on your text, hold down your Option key or your Alt key to duplicate, and hold down your Shift key at the same time so that it stays in place, and just put it right at the edge. Okay, if you're not sure whether it's at the edge, you can always click on your text and make sure it's aligned to page, and then just align it like that, okay, on the right and align to the bottom. All right, I think that's good. So once you've all done, you can head back to your main page, and you will notice that all your pages are numbered. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So once you're happy with that, or if you're not so happy with that, you can go back again to your master page, and then you can maybe increase the text if it's not big enough. You can always go back to your character. You can change your sizing here, hold down the Shift key and select both, and then increase your text maybe to 14 points. And then you can go back to your pages again and to see if the numbering is big enough. Once you're happy, remember to save your file. And that is how you number your pages in InDesign.